More than 2,000 care packages for deployed U.S. troops are sent out every year from the headquarters of a very patriotic organization in Salisbury. They're called Operation We Care.
Yeah, founded in 2007 by Jeff and Diana Merritt, their volunteer group strives to support both active duty and veteran military through care packages, events, and other assistance outlets.
Now, not only that, but they also support our first responders here on Delmarva. And with us to tell more about the group are Renette Rock. She is a 2023 All-American Veterans Queen alongside Enid Kelly. She is an Operation We Care representative. Thank you both for being here this afternoon. Okay, so we talked about, or we touched on the origins of the organization, but can you tell us a little bit more about why this all got started?
Basically, it started because there are troops out there overseas. And when we go overseas, I am a Navy veteran. So these care packages that are sent by Operation We Care are care packages sent to our veterans and active duty military overseas, and these care packages have a little touch of home. And when they get the package, usually it brings a smile. It brings up their morale, it's camaraderie. So these packages mean a lot to our veterans and our active duty military overseas.
And of course, we want to thank you for your service, of course.
Absolutely.
And tell us, both of you, we want to know about your titles here, how those came about.
I've been in the pageant system for a little bit, but this pageant system seemed to be a little quite different. They stand on diversity. They stand on all different types of women from all makeshifts of life. Going into this, I applied for the veterans category. As a veteran, you have to be a veteran. You write an essay, and we talked about our time in service overseas or within the military service. So I won that part of it. So it was kind of a shock because, I was like, okay.
Yeah.
But so the platform I stand on is early detection of breast cancer awareness. So I will be getting the information out there on breast cancer awareness. And for veterans, we give out certain things, making sure that our veterans, are being cared for, and that, we're giving acknowledgement to our veterans. So that's one thing I'm passionate about, is our veterans.
Enid, tell us about your title.
I am the All-American Lifetime Queen. I actually won this in 2018, and it's awarded for a contestant that has held 2 titles. When our current director took it over from the previous director in 2014, I believe, I was her inaugural Ms. at the MS category, and that was October 2015, and I fulfilled all the appearance requirements and achieved the ambassador, which is the title that's given for the most appearances in community service. And once you've held 2 titles, then you become a lifetime.
Oh, nice.
Now, Renette, you talked about how these care packages, they mean so much. So what items do you guys kind of need to fill the care packages?
So basically, we do toiletries, we do little snacks. Sometimes they add a little touch of a card. Basically,
Cards, letters.
Letters.
Yeah.
Just little teeny things, like we have kids sometimes around the schools, local schools, they do like little cards and send well wishes to our troops overseas.
It's a big undertaking.
It is. It's a big organization, and actually the pageant, now that we have sort of a partnership, these ladies, since 2017, since Operation We Care became the national platform for the All-American Mrs. All-American pageants, these ladies have donated over 70,000 items.
Wow.
These ladies have come in, they'll come to Salisbury when we do our packing weekends.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, and if people do want to get involved, how can they best do that?
There is a website online, Operation We Care, and then you can see the information, directions on how to donate and volunteer, and it has all the information on where you can send your donations.
Awesome. All right. Renette and Enid, thank you so much for coming in, and thank you for all you do.
Thank you.
It's wonderful.